What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ash from Brawl Stars. Let's get started by drawing a small rectangle along the center of the head. Starting on the left side, start with a straight line going across. Come straight down along the side. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's add two lines along the inside. One on the left and then one on the right. Now you want to draw the inside edge of the face. From the bottom corner of that rectangle, let's step up, curve this out, and then pull that straight down. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the ends with a straight line. Let's trace the outside of that trim. From the top corner, step down, just follow that same curve going around, and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to round out the corners, come down and in, and then again, connect the ends with a straight line. Now we're going to add some rivets along that trim. Starting from the top, add a circle on the left and right, add a circle along the bottom corners, we'll add one in the middle, and then one more along the sides. Now we're going to go to the inside and add in the face. Let's start with the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left, angle this up and out, line this up on the right, do the same thing, and I'll connect the ends with a half circle, coming down and then up. Let's add the pupils along the inside. Start with a small half oval on the left and right, and we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I move to the center and draw in the mouth. We're going to start with a point right in the middle, angle up and up towards the left and right, and then from the ends, curve the mouth going out and then down towards the bottom of the face. Let's separate the teeth. Start with a straight line coming down the middle, and then on the sides, we're just going to angle this down and in. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the face in black. Let's move back up and add in that plate. From the left side, curve this out, and bend that up. Same thing on the right. And then from the ends, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of that plate. Close this off with a straight line. Let's add two circles on either side. Start with the left, and then the right. Let's trace these circles on the outside and connect it in the center. We'll start with a short line going across the middle, go to the left side, trace the left circle, going all the way around, down, and then in, go across towards the right. Now we'll trace out the right circle. Let's trace the outside of the head. From this point, we'll step up, draw a straight line going out, and then line this up on the right. Let's round out the corners, going around and then down. And I'll pull this straight down towards the bottom of the head, just lining up with the bottom edge of that trim. Now we're going to round out the bottom corners, come in, connect the inside with a straight line. Let's add some texture inside the head. Starting on the top right, come in, straight down, and then go out. Let's add another one on the side of the trim, going out, down, and then in, Add one more on the bottom left. Let's add a semicircle on the right side. Starting up here, going all the way around, pulling that in, and it'll draw two short angle lines coming in, step down, add a curve. Now I'm going to add that cup over on the left side. From the top corner, step down, come straight out, come down the side, and pull that back in. Now from that bottom left corner, we'll step in and go down toward the top of the head. Let's go up to the top and add that straw. Going up and in, flatten off the end, follow that same curve coming down, and we'll just add two lines along the inside. Now from here, we're going to overlap that large shield over on the left side. Let's step out, curve this up, and then down on the inside. From the ends, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the shield. Connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add two circles on the top corners. One on the left and then one on the right. Now we're going to add a thick trim along the inside of the shield. From the circles, we're going to step in, follow that same curve, going up and then down. Trace around the bottom of the circle, going out. Come straight down towards the bottom. And then we'll connect the ends with that same curve. Now we're going to add that large symbol in the center of the shield. Let's start at the very top, start with a straight line, go up along the side, come in with a short line, and then come down. Let's draw the center, come in, go up, and then close off the top. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to step down, draw another straight line going across, and then from the outside, come down and in, come straight down towards the bottom, and we'll connect the ends with a curve. Now we want to tuck the body in behind the shield. From the bottom corner of the head, let's just round out the top, and then just pull that straight down to right about there. Round out the bottom corner, and then we'll pull that straight across towards the left, and then go in behind the shield. I'm also going to close off the top left side with a curve, and we'll add some rivets. Start from the top, add a circle, add one along the bottom, add one in between, and then one in the center along the bottom. Let's add that banner going across the body. From the top left, go straight down to right about there. And take that same distance over on the left side, come down in behind the shield. Now from the center, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, go up the sides, and go out. I'm going to pull that back down, just lining up with the center, and then go out towards the side. Let's add a trim along the side. From this point, we'll step out, go straight up underneath the head, and do the same thing on the left. Let's add another crest in the center of the body. Starting at the top, start with a straight line, go up and out, come in with a short line, come down, and pull that in. Let's go back up to the top and close off the center. Now we move down to the bottom corners, step down, draw another line going across, and it'll follow that same angle line coming down towards the bottom and close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting on the outside, curve this up, and then bend that down. And then from the top of the foot, step out, curve the leg going up and in. And the same thing on the right side going underneath the body. Now you want to draw that same pattern along the top edge of the boot. Starting from the outside, go straight in, come down, come in, and then back up, and pull that straight in toward the inside of the leg. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So line this up, come down towards the bottom, go back up, and then out. I want to go back and add a little bit more brick texture across the body. Starting on the right side, come in, down, and then out. Let's add one more along the bottom. Now we're going to draw the right arm holding that large broomstick. Let's start on the inside of the thumb. Start by going up, and then down toward the tip. Round up the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's curl 3 fingers around the handle. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out, and then in, step down, draw another oval, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's go to the bottom of that last finger, draw 2 straight lines coming down, flatten off the end. Now we're going to draw a circle. On the left corner, draw that circle going around and then up on the right corner. Now we're going to go back to the base of the thumb and close off the hand. We come down, then bend that out in behind the handle. Let's go to the top of the hand on the inside, curve the arm coming in and up, go to the bottom, and draw that same curve. Now from the inside of the arm, curve this up and out. Let's continue this handle on the top of the hand. Start with 2 straight lines going up. Now to come in, draw a square going across, up the sides, close off the top. From the top corners, step down, draw a straight line going out, come down and in towards the side. Now we want to continue the handle along the top. Let's start with the inside, going all the way up, do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to draw the bottom edge of the broom on top of the handle. So we're going to step in, draw a straight line going all the way across. Let's round up the ends, pulling that up, go straight up towards the top, and then close this off with a straight line. Let's add a little bit more detail. Starting right in the middle, angle down and out towards the left and right, close off the bottom, and I'll add 2 half circles on the left and right side. Let's add a clamp along the bottom. Stepping down, draw a straight line. Now I'm going to go up to the top corners, step in, angle the broom going out towards the top. From the top, go straight in, goes down towards the bottom, and then come straight in. And then from the inside, we're going to pull that up, just lining up with the outside and closing off the middle. And it'll add a little bit more texture to the broom. Starting on the left, angle up and out, with the center going up, add one more on the right, and that's pretty much it. There's Ash from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.